Do-It-Yourself Business Ideas 2021. How to Start Making Money Without Working. Hi, I'm Ricky Williams. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get started making money at your business without working. In a couple minutes, I'm going to show you how to estimate how much money you can make at your business location. But first, let's go through the steps you need to follow to get started. First, you can sign up for a hotspot miner at Helium Network, but it's going to cost you around $500. Or go to my website and get a miner for only $99 and choose either an $18 a month lease or deposit. Lock in your hotspot location and find out how to earn even more money. Click the nationalconsumeradvocate.com/helium-miner link in the description or in the first comment below this video. This is a web page you'll see. Your passive income adventure starts here. You also become a member of iHub Global, which lets you earn even more money as an affiliate. Don't worry about the affiliate membership though. It's just an incentive from iHub to get more hotspots built out for the Helium IoT or Internet of Things network. iHub doesn't care if you just want a hotspot for your business. You don't need to promote it also. But if you do want to bring in a little extra money as an affiliate, this opportunity is a pretty easy sell. Just mention it to your customers, vendors, or business associates. Anyone who you sponsor gets the same deal you're getting. They get to collect hands-free money every month just for putting a hotspot in their business location or home. If you know other people in business, or even one of your customers, who could use some extra cash each month, you'd be in a great position to sponsor them for their own hotspot. Just don't offer this opportunity to the business next door to yours, or anyone within 300 yards of your business hotspot. iHub Global doesn't allow hotspots to be reserved that are too close to others, because they would be competing with each other for the networking tasks that build out the network and let you earn money. But before you worry about asking other people to join the Helium network, you must reserve your own Helium miner and lock in your hotspot location using the link in the description. If you sign up with my sponsorship, I will also show you how to increase your earnings by as much as hundreds of dollars per month, or even more. Here are the steps you need to follow. Click on my Helium miner link, then click on Join iHub Global. You can watch a short intro video, then click on the Yes, Sign Me Up button. When you sign up, you need to choose either the lease or the deposit option to get your hotspot. The miners used to be free, but a lot of people weren't turning on their miners when they got them, so that upset the investors for iHub, and as a result, iHub came up with a new plan. So now you've got a $99 application fee, and then either $18 a month or a $400 deposit. So now hotspot hosts have a little skin in the game. But if they do turn on their hotspots, then the application fee is pretty easy to earn back. If you look closely at this, you'll see that the $400 deposit is better cost-wise. The lease will cost you $216 a year, so you'd be at $400 in less than 2 years. And the $400 deposit is still yours, so the risk is pretty low. If you decide you want to stop mining, you turn the miner back in and you get your $400. When iHub went to this $99 application fee, they decided to throw in either the 5.8 dBi or 8 dBi antenna. You used to have to pay for these, and the 5.8 dBi was $69 plus shipping and handling, and the 8 dBi antenna was $89 plus shipping and handling. So if you do the math, that almost covers the application fee of $99. The hotspots come with their own built-in antennas, so you don't really have to have one of these 5.8 or 8 dBi antennas. But if you add them on, they can make a big difference in the amount of rewards that your hotspot can earn. So it could be really worthwhile. So if you go with a $99 application fee, get an 8 dBi antenna, I'm not saying that's what you need, but if you use that one and use a $400 deposit, then your net costs are pretty minimal. When you click through, you'll be asked to fill out a short application form. You'll be asked to create a username. This will create your affiliate link in case you want to sponsor a new hotspot owner. In this example, Lane Smith has chosen My Lane as a username. It can be anything you want, but shorter is better. iHub also sets you up with your own free Helium website based on your username. So go ahead and click I agree to affiliate terms and register. Then click to allow Helium Track to know your location, so iHub can verify your hotspot location. Watch the short video if you like. Fill out the reservation form. iHub will need to verify your hotspot installation address. Shipping your hotspot miner is currently backlogged and may take as much as 2 or 3 months because of supply chain issues with chip manufacturers. iHub reserves the right to charge a shipping fee for the hotspot miner. I don't know how much that is because they haven't charged me, but if they do, don't be surprised. This is where iHub shows your affiliate sign-up link in case you want to sponsor another hotspot owner. As you can see, the username, in this case MyLane, is part of the affiliate link so that they're able to identify who sends the sponsored invite. And you can check to see if a hotspot location is available. Just click on the green Plan Hotspot button there in the upper left and enter an address. If your planned hotspot already has too many other hotspots around it, you're going to see this notice. Or you'll get a green light telling you your hotspot location is good to go if there's no issues. This is more likely, at least until the network gets completely built out. You can have a virtual mining assessment emailed to other businesses or people you think who might be interested. In this example, it's for Lane Smith. And here's what the virtual mining assessment looks like. You can see there's a claim this location button at the bottom there. So if your invitee wants to get their own hotspot, they would click that link. And they have 24 hours from the time you send this email to claim their hotspot. Otherwise, it becomes available to anyone else again. This hotspot location is for Lane Smith. Lane Smith isn't real, but the location in Boise, Idaho is a real location. So if someone put a hotspot in this location, then they would be probably in the range of $322 to $731 per month. But that's an estimate. It's based on what other hotspots are earning in the area. And it could be lower or it could be higher. There are a number of factors involved that determine how much exactly a hotspot's going to make. And we'll go into that in a later video. In the next video, we'll look more closely at estimating how much you can make with your hotspot by putting one of these small money-making machines in your business or home. If you can't wait, you can still get started right away by clicking the first link in the comments below. If you're getting value from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel